Hey guys, for today's video, we're going at the Tertiary Sanctuary here in Bohol. So we hire a scooter guys from Tagbilaran City because we are staying near the Bohol port and it takes 15 to 20 minutes guys of driving. Philippine Tertiary Sanctuary is an ecotourism destination located in Corelia, Bohol, and it is where you can see and visit the second smallest primates. So, ano pang hinihintay natin guys? Let's go inside. But anyways, they have guides to show you around the sleeping tarsiers in the forest. And no one allowed guys to touch the tarsier or using a flash for taking pictures. At may isa pa guys, you are not allowed to talk so loud kasi madidisturb sila. So ang ginagawa lang talaga namin guys ay nagsinyas-sinyas lang talaga kami. So ayan guys, we're walking around and finding another treasure na saan siya nagtatago guys. So, ayan. Look at that. Treasure. Oh, ang ganda. At ang liit-liit talaga ng treasure, guys. Hindi mo talaga malalaman na o makikita kung wala kayong guides. Kasi sila lang ang may alam kung saan nakatago ang mga treasure, guys. And yan nga guys, happy na si Uncle guys na nakikita niya ang kaluhan niya. So, let's walk around and see the other tarsiers hiding. Oh, wow. Maa-amaze ka talaga sa tarsiers na to guys. And they look like a monkeys, kaya pala tinatawag sila na the little monkey in Bohol. Pero hindi sila monkey guys. May similarities lang talaga sila. So ayan guys, we're done off watching the tarsiers. That's all for today's video.